First few things. So I know I just came back from the gym, but I wanted to give you guys a few bit of knowledge. Today's Saturday. Obviously, the market is closed, but I'm gonna tell you guys the things that I did. Then I was starting to learn how to trade in order to help me advance my skills, sharpen your iron. It is an off day for the market, but there's still things that you can do to enhance your goal. Yes, you should take a break. Don't use this for too many hours of the day, but it's always good to have little things that just make you slightly better, slightly better. One, the one thing I would do, I did this every day actually. It wasn't even about a weekend thing, but this is when I was first learning. When it comes to my strategy, it was all about mastering that strategy. So I would back test like 2 weeks of data in one day. So today's Saturday. If you have free time, it will take less than an hour. It will take less than 2 hours. Less than an hour to be real. Go in, can you find your stuff? Can you find it? Does it work out for you? See your percentage, see how you risk and manage. Get more like be able to identify your patterns a lot better. The second thing I did, and this is when I started to live trade. When you start live trading, what you want to do is you want to look back on the week that you just did. Now, when you look back on it, look at your percentage. Was it a profitable week? Was it a losing week? And why was it a losing week? Was it because of strategy or was it because of psychology? And I want you to look back on those days that you did lose. What happened if you didn't let the psychology get the best of you? What would you have done? Would you have made so much money? Would you have made nothing? Or would it have been the same results? Because a lot of people don't realize that they would have been so much further. Like this week I would have gone to pay out if I didn't that first day I did something bad that I knew I wasn't supposed to do. I would have gone to pay out by whoa, that's crazy. You see, I just actually realized something for myself. But nevertheless, like go back and realize what would happen. What would have happened if I followed my rules, if I followed everything? And how can I make sure I put that in my head for next week so I don't follow those same mistakes? And then lastly, what you want to do is I want you to set a goal for yourself for this upcoming week. How do I make sure I hold myself accountable for next week? What am I gonna do differently? How am I gonna approach differently? It's all about the mindset. Like for me, especially knowing that I need 2 perfect days till I get my payout. Damn, a second payout. All I'm gonna do is this next coming week, make sure I get that A+ setup because if I have 2 more days I need, I am not going to let anything get in between me and that prize. No. But yeah, those are the 3 things that I did week upon week to make sure I got better. I did it every week, especially on the Saturday and Sunday, because I would normally be at work. Right now, I'm not working because I got paid. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know if I'm gonna work again. But these are the things that I did to help me enhance my skills. Hopefully, it can help you guys too.